Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy format through keyboard in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first open your document. Firstly, then you can see is text is formatting. This formatting is copy. Firstly, then select your first text line and keyboard press is shift control C. Then format copy is second line is same format is select second line and is then keyboard press control shift V. It's okay. So again that keyboard press control shift C and select your third line and keyboard press control shift V. It's okay. Then we show the copy format through keyboard in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my